Hello dear students. Today we are going to study about the curriculum of third semester of mechanical engineering, which has been designed by MSBTE, that is Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education. Before going ahead, I would like to explore some terminologies of I-scheme. Here program represents the branch of engineering and course represents the name of the subject. So do not get confused, let's move ahead. Basically the diploma course is of 6 semesters, that is 3 years, which means each year consists of 2 semesters. The duration of each semester is of 16 weeks. In MECH we are going to study the 6 different subjects named as strength of material, basic electrical and electronics engineering, thermal engineering, mechanical working drawing, engineering metrology, and mechanical engineering materials. Let's move ahead and see the marking scheme of each subject. Let's take an example of strength of material. This subject have 3 hours of lecture, 2 hours of tutorial, and 2 hours of practical. This is how total 7 hours load will be there for SOM in each week. Now move ahead to the examination scheme. Here the examination scheme have been divided into 2 different sections, that is theory section and practical section. First we will discuss about the theory section. This section is further divided into 2 different parts, that is end semester exam of theory and progressive assessment of theory. First we will discuss about the end semester exam of theory. In the end semester exam of theory will be of 70 marks, from which you must have to score minimum 28 marks. For solving this paper you will get 3 hours of time. Now let's discuss about the progressive assessment of theory. The progressive assessment of theory consists of total 30 marks, which has been divided as 20 plus 10. 20 marks comes from the average of midterm test and end term test, and 10 marks come from the micro project activity, and there is no minimum limit to score. Now let's move ahead towards the practical section. Same as the theory section, practical section has also been divided into 2 sections, that is end semester exam of practical and progressive assessment of practical. First we will discuss about the end semester exam of practicals. The end semester exam of practical will be of 25 marks, among which you must have to score 10 marks to pass. Now here the specific abbreviation, which is commonly known as at the rate, represent mode of practical exam. That means if you see at the rate abbreviation, that means this exam will have internal assessment, whereas if you find the hash abbreviation, which represents the external assessment, that means external examiner will come from different college, and he will conduct the practical examination. Now let's move towards the progressive assessment of practicals. This progressive assessment will be again of 25 marks, and this marks will come from your term work and manual basis. In this you must have to score minimum 10 marks to pass this exam. This is how the overall practical weightage will be of 50 marks. From the theory section you will get 100 marks, and from practical section you will get 50 marks, so the sum of these marks will become 150 marks for this particular subject of strength of material. This same pattern repeats for all the subjects except only one subject, which is mechanical working drawing. In the subject the theory examination will be of 4 hours, from which you have to score minimum 28 marks, same as that of all the subjects, and your practical examination will be of 50 marks instead of 25 marks. Rest of the things are same. Hope you understood this pattern and marking scheme, which is being designed by the MSBTE and followed by each affiliated college. Thank you.